What's up, everybody? Happy New Year. How's everything going? Hope you guys are having a fabulous start of the year. I wanted to make a quick video because I'm going to introduce the models for January and some for February. Wanted you guys to have the first look at what is about to come out for this coming year. All right. So, for January, you guys already know I've been advertising it here and there. We're going to have the Ultimate Batman. We're also going to have the Ultimate Superman. All right. And because Jazz got backed up from last month and I released Bazooka a little bit early, we're going to go ahead and release Jazz for January. And we're also going to release Shadowhawk. All right. Those are what, four models so far. And I'm looking at possibly two more. So January is going to be a big month. If you have not joined the Patreon, you might want to do that now. These ultimate models are starting January at the end of the month. They're going to be gone. You're not going to be able to get them again, um, even on the welcome package or even to buy them. I want these models super limited. That's why they're the Ultimate Series. They're going to be only delivered for that month. And then after that, they're gone. So get in there, get that model. 15 bucks a month. If you haven't joined already, please do so. And also some other good news. I will be having some videos come out here on the YouTube channel very, very soon. Getting back to making videos. I did take December off because of my day job, working a lot of hours. And I had to go where I had to pay the bills, to help support the family. So tune into the YouTube channel. I'll be releasing some videos here very, very soon. Now, let's talk about January again. We got Batman, Ultimate Batman. We got Ultimate Superman. We got Shadowhawk, and then we also got Jazz. Now, what about February? Oh, yeah. That's why I'm wearing the shirt. So we're looking at doing Conan. At first, I was going to do Green Lantern, but I announced that I was going to do Green Lantern, and the next thing you know, there were several Green Lanterns to pop up. So I'm going to give it a rest for a little bit, and we're going to go the Conan route. Now, Enzo Shimamura is going to do the Conan for me, and we're going to try and get it out for you February-ish, by the end of February. And then also we're looking at, let's see who else we got. We're looking at possibly Duke from the G.I. Joe line, and we're also looking at Jigsaw from, yes, he's a Punisher character, but you guys are going to see that this is the most unusual Jigsaw you've ever seen in your life. It's very, very cool. I have not seen I haven't seen any Jigsaw models, so this may be the first one, but you guys, I think you're going to really like this one. And we're going to go into maybe a couple more models for February that have not been confirmed yet, but as soon as they are, you're going to see it here first. But some pretty big things line up for this year. I hope you will stay around and check it out. Remember, don't forget, you're here 6 months or more, you get those loyalty models. Make sure you let me know, and I'll double check your subscription duration, and I will send you the links to those models. Hope you guys like the intro too. That was pretty cool. Just something new for this year. And anyway, guys, we'll see you in January very, very soon. Again, everybody have a happy new year. Have a healthy, prosperous new year. Prosperous new year. And we'll see you on the YouTube videos. Peace.